living in a world of uncertainties. What if something drastic was to happen? Can I feed myself and my family? Start growing something if you have not yet started. Just the food prices alone should really push you to start growing your own food.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, to man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me pick up Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
Sweet Jam.
This red spinach that I have right here, it grows so quickly. I wasn't expecting that at all. My, look at it. Well, red stem. Malabar spinach, that is. Look at it. Whoa. It literally blew my mind. Like I feed it and it just run with it. Looks so good. And this green one over here, look how nice these leaves are looking. I soon get them, you know. I soon do me some garlic and spinach. Tastes so good. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you all so much for tuning in. To all my new gardening family, welcome on board, my faithfulers. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. It is highly appreciated and God bless you. These cantaloupes right here, they are looking so lush and nice. Look at those cucumbers thriving. I got me some strawberry from Marie Flowers and Garden. Check her out, my gardening family. I just put some banana trash inside here. I don't have any straw and they love straw. Whenever I have banana trash, I'm just going to cut them up and just put them inside there. My callaloos inside here, they blow up so quickly. Look at here. Those red ones were planted after, and I planted some lettuce inside here as well. They blow up so quickly. I will be giving you a tour come mountain, God's willing. Yes, so you'll have a better view of what's happening. Look at this beauty. And then these pink ones are completely different ones. They just coordinate so nicely. Now look at my pumpkin patch over there. It has been sending out quite a lot of male flowers. So you know, sooner or later it will start to produce. Quite a few open and close up already. So I know soon and very soon it will produce. Looking so good. Agree? This one, as I saw, sent out a male flower as well. And I'm seeing where more is going to come up as well. And remember, this one is in the pavement. It is growing out of the pavement. My seeds fell in the cracks like that. Yes. And this is what I am getting. My seedlings are popping up. All of these are beetroots. I am going to have to transplant some of them. You can see I have some of them in a bunch or a little bundle. And my onions. I hope you can see them. They are also popping up. And I put 3 tomatoes, regular Jamaican tomatoes, in the middle right here. I put some lettuce inside here. I saw 2 of them the other day. Not seeing them anymore. But then I decided I'm going to put something else inside here this evening, God's willing. And you can see my string beans doing their thing right there. I made this trellis the other day with some broomsticks and some strings. And I put my cucumbers on there so they have aphids and ants. So I'm going to spray them down with some garlic water. Going to wash them off first. My corns right here, they are coming up nicely. Now my June plum tree, this baby is showing up and showing off. Look at here. Man, I am going to have so many June plums on this tree. Look at these culprits. I don't remember their name. I'm going to look it up. But the diatomaceous earth works very well with them. Get rid of them like whoosh, you're out of here. Look at the lizard. I'm going to get a lot of June plums. And I don't think I'm doing it any justice. But I'm just giving you a little, run through. No, the purple corns inside here, they're not looking good at all. So what I did was to plant the few that I had left. And I didn't bother to remove the ones that are over there. So it's a mixture of purple and sweet corns right here. Yeah. So what I came around here to show you is these corns, sweet corns, they're popping out already. Look at here. You don't need to grow everything at once. Start out and then you will see where it takes you. Of course, you're going to start out with the things that your family truly loves. You and your family, of course. All right, so I'm getting these callaloo or amaranth, as some people know them. And guess what? My son requested to have this for dinner. And I am so amazed. He always eats it when I prepare it, but he has never requested it before. And I came out here as quickly as I could. Because I said, no, my son going to get this thing here for dinner. These are nice and tender, so I'm pretty sure he will enjoy them. This one is a volunteer. Since I put these right here, I saw it and it just grew up nice and tender. I have a few other little stuff that I'm going to get, so come along. These are some sweet peppers or bell peppers. These plants have been so faithful, extremely faithful, and I am extremely grateful. I hope you all are well and in the best of health. That one can stay a little. I have some peppers around here that I need to get. These are some lovely peppers. I have some more. I have two more, I believe, over there that are ripe. Inside here, these are some onions. I realize that the tops are dry down, so I'm just getting them. They're not big, but they're still usable. And the fact that I don't have to buy it means everything. I'm looking if I see any more. Oh, it's one here. I thought I saw another one. Where art thou? I can't see it again. Oh, it's not this one I saw. I know I saw another one. It's because of the sawdust in the container. And the tops are well dried down. That's why. I don't see it again. I will see it another time. Or when I water. I can't find it. I have a one cayenne pepper here. So little cute. Little and cute. I have another little sweet pepper right here. Cutie. Yeah, I think that's all I'll get. I'm going to need some scallions or green onions, but I'll get those fresh like I usually do. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see?